Hello, people. So, as of yesterday, all of yesterday, in fact, I spent my time reading this book, Sunanda Pushkar, the extraordinary life and death of Sunanda Pushkar, which has been written by Sunanda Mehta. And truly, people, this book came from through Amazon yesterday, and I made sure I finished reading it also yesterday. It was 315 pages long, and basically, Miss Sunanda Pushkar, ma'am, is a person that there was a lot of mystery surrounding her death, right? But once you read this book, you understand the person that she was, and the circumstances that led to her untimely demise. So really, people, this particular book, Sunanda Mishra, the writer is from Lady Shri Ram, Delhi, and and she was a school junior of Sunanda Pushkar ma'am. So it's a very you if you read these 315 pages, you come to you know late Mrs. Sunanda Pushkar comes alive for you. You really see the kind of person she was and the things she liked and all. So it's a book that is that's very eye opening. So try and read it, people. You can get it on Amazon. And this particular book, the price is very fluctuating. It was $250 last month. I thought it's okay, I'll take it later. As of 2 days ago, I checked, it was $373. So then I had to panic stricken and I ordered it. And that's what original price is $6.99 if you were to buy it from a store. But these days everything is on Amazon, right? So this book is called Miss Sunanda Pushkar was the late wife of Shashi Tharoor, the writer. So you see a whole different side of this writer. I mean, in a very good way. You see him, the kind of tolerant husband he was. So he is, yeah, he was. He lost her, right? So really, people. So try and catch it. It's on Amazon. So on that note, thanks for watching and please subscribe.